warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Dela Yolanda Disha Putri with student ID number 2503050027. And in this video, I would like to present my final exam for the basic writing course, which is taught by Mr. Gatot Subroto SS MPD. And in this presentation, I will explain a blog post that is the result of a discussion with Group 7. I'm grouped with the theme Sailboat Regatta, Preserving Traditional Malay Maritime Traditions in Belakang Padang. Stay tuned, guys! And these presentations explain the background, history, cultural values, social and economic impacts, as well as the challenges in preserving this traditional maritime event. Sailboat regatta is the traditional maritime activity that has strong historical and cultural significance for coastal communities. It is not only a competition, but also a way to preserve traditional sailing skills, knowledge of wind patterns, and boat handling techniques. Today, the regatta has developed into a tourism attraction and a symbol of coastal community identity. This tradition originates from the daily sailing activities of Malay fishermen and traders in Belakang Padang. In the past, sailing was essential for fishing, trading, and transportation. Over time, these activities developed into friendly competition that test sailing skills and knowledge of the sea. According to community leaders, the sailboat race was influenced by similar competition in Singapore during the 1950s. After these competitions could no longer continue there, the tradition was moved to Belakang Padang. Since then, local figures and communities have worked hard to preserve this cultural heritage. The sailboat regatta is recognized as an important maritime cultural heritage. It represents the identity of Malay coastal communities and their close relationship with the sea. The local government also supports this event as an effort to preserve culture and promote maritime traditions. And during the regatta, several competition categories are held, including traditional sailboats, speed sports, and ketinting. The event involves many participants from Belakang Padang and surrounding islands. This high level of participation shows strong community enthusiasm and cooperation. The sailboat regatta contains important cultural values. First, it features harmony with nature because participants rely on wind and sea conditions. Second, it reflects courage, endurance, and teamwork as controlling a sailboat requires cooperation among all crew members. This regatta strengthens community identity and pride. Thousands of spectators attend the event every year, achieving a strong sense of togetherness. It also helps younger generation learn about their culture, roots, and maritime identity. Besides cultural value, the sailboat regatta also has economic benefits. The event increases tourism and supports local businesses such as food vendors, transportation service, and souvenirs. As a result, it contributes to the local economy of Belakang Padang. Challenge in preservation. However, preserving this tradition is not without challenge. Younger generations show less interest at the cost of maintaining traditional boats is quite high. Weather conditions and competition from modern entertainment also affect the sustainability of the regatta. Despite these challenges, the sailboat regatta remains an important symbol of Indonesia's maritime identity. Preserving these traditions helps strengthen national pride and reminds us that Indonesia is a maritime nation built through the sea. In conclusion, the sailboat regatta in Belakang Padang is more than just a competition. It preserves cultural values, strengthens social bonds, and supports the local economy. Therefore, this tradition deserves continuous preservation so it can be passed on to future generations. Thank you for your attention. Bye-bye.